Hello everybody, The Really Bee here, back with another baseball card video. Today we're going to be doing a tiny opening that could have big possibilities. We're going to have a Topps 2019 Topps Chrome pack, 4 cards, simple. And we're going to have this Topps 2020 Series 2 Fat Pack, and we can see what we'll get. Alright, we're going to start off with the Fat Pack. Break this open. So, alright, first up we have John Means. It's one of the, John Means. Kansas City Royals team card. Role reversal, Francisco Lindor, and that is Gleyber Torres, Harold Ramirez, Dellin Betances, Justin Smoke, Ryan McBroom, Chris Sale, Robbie Ray, Chicago White Sox team card, Seattle Mariners team card, Chris Bryant, Robert Duggar, I think. Alright. Hunter Harvey, Trevor Williams, Lamonte Wade Jr., Dinelson Lamet, Felix Hernandez, the King, I think. Ji-Man Choi, Willie Calhoun, Andrew Knapp, Chad Wallace, Sean Manaea, I think. We should be getting to the inserts right about soon. Alright, this is a Willie Castro rookie card. Noah Syndergaard, Brett Gardner, Carlos Carrasco, Josh James, Billy McKinley, Dallas Keuchel. This is an Andrew McCutchen. Some of these cards are upside down for some reason. Marcus Stroman. Let me turn this around. Martin Perez, Jose Osuna, Gio Urshela, Luis Rengifo, no idea. Dom Nunez, I think we see a sparkly one right there. Reynaldo Lopez, Ivan Nova, Freddie Freeman, Topps Home Run Challenge, Fernando Tatis Jr., DJ Stewart. We got a Sander Bogarts refractor, I think. 1960s, decade's best, Whitey Ford. Don Mattingly, 35th anniversary. And a, what does that say? Christian Yelich, 2030. Weird. Fingerprint, 2030. That's all I can get out of that. So nothing really cool. That one, kind of a bust. Let's see what we can get out of the Topps Chrome. It's going to be only 4 cards, so you never know. Really sucked. All right, Miguel Cabrera, David Fletcher Prism Refractor. Really nice. DJ Stewart and Adams Chance. Well, that was not too good, guys. Don't know what to say about that one, but hopefully we'll have better luck in the next edition of opening up baseball cards. Thanks for watching. Please like and sub and turn on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That would be beautiful. And thank you for watching. This is the Real EB checking out.